In this video, let me show you how to use Uber for business to track work expenses. If you want to separate your expenses inside of Uber from personal to your business expenses, you can create a separate profile or a business profile inside of Uber, which lets you track all of these, which also helps you separate your work expenses and also automates receipt forwarding. So in order to create a separate profile, head over to account, and right here you'll be able to see the option called set up your business profile. You can simply tap on this option and then tap on get started. First of all, add in your business email and then tap on next. In the next step, you need to select a payment method. If you already add in payment methods such as Apple Pay or Google Pay, you can select one of those. But if you haven't, and if you choose to deal with cash, you can also tap on the cash option. And lastly, you need to choose your expense providers. From all of these lists, you can choose one of your expense providers so that you can enable the automatic receipt syncing. You can simply tap one of your options and then tap on request business trip. This way, once you completed your setup of your business profile, you can tag trips as a business at checkout. So whenever you complete a search or trying to find a rider inside of Uber, you can simply tap your personal profile icon and then toggle it as your business profile so that all of those rides switch from your personal to your business account. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.